day 3 of my vlog. So for today's video, ipapakita ko some of the activities that most or few of the call center agents do dito sa kanilang call center office. So in our office, we have table tennis and of course we also have gym, but occupied yung gym kaya nag-table tennis na lang ako. And during our breaks, dito lang kami nakakapag-touch sa phone namin at nakakapagpahinga from the trainings and assessment. Kaya ito, tinitake namin yung chance and moment na walang iniisip, walang ginagawa, umuupo lang sa may locker namin. Ayan. And of course, we did some dance also. Gumawa kami ng mga sayaw para lang maaliw namin yung sarili namin or sumayaw kami. Kapag break namin, inaaliw namin yung sarili namin. And this is the time kung saan nagla-lunch kami. Ang daming mga locker rooms kasi marami kaming call center agents sa office na to. And ito yung pantry kung saan kami umu-order ng pagkain. Sila lang pala kasi lagi akong nagbabaon. And I captured this quotes, napakaganda nun. And of course, kumakain na si Alexa and sila Andrew and Kuya EA. And of course, the beautiful Lexi is here also. Ganda! Bongga! And of course, my lunch, it's kamote with butter na yan. And of course, after lunch, ito yung ginawa namin, karaoke. Gusto lang talaga naming ma-enjoy at libangin ang sarili namin while we are on work kasi mahirap po ang call center agent. Bye! Yun lang!